This Windermere Real Estate San Juan Island property video is presented by Zita Sandmeyer. Lakefront lot at Sportsman Lake Park. Ready to build with community water, drainfield, dock, lake access, clubhouse and garden. This mostly level 2.05 acre parcel offers beautiful views over Sportsman Lake, the only lake on the island which allows motorized vessels. Easy to build with utilities at road, water, drain field, electric and phone. For more information, review the details below or contact Zita Sandmeyer at 360-298-1257.